ఇప్పుడు మొన్న మీరు ఒకటి చెప్పారు కదా డేటా టైప్ది, అది చేసిన తర్వాత ఈ మ్యూల్ ఏపీఐది చేయాలి అంతే కదా?
ఇది అట్లని కాదు. ఇప్పుడు ఏంటి రిక్వైర్మెంట్ ఏంటి? ఇప్పుడు రియల్ టైం రిక్వైర్మెంట్ వచ్చేసి ఎంప్లాయీలో డేటా ఎంటర్ చేయడం, ఎంప్లాయీలో డేటా కిట్ చేయడం అనే రిక్వైర్మెంట్ ఉన్నప్పుడు మనం ఈ విధంగా రాస్తాం. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు ఇన్సర్ట్ చేసినాం కదా, ఇక అర్థం కానికి ఇప్పుడు గెట్ చేద్దాం. ఇప్పుడు ఇన్సర్ట్ చేసింది మళ్ళీ గెట్ చేయాలనుకో, ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేద్దామంటే సింపుల్ గా గెట్ ఈఎంపీ డేటా అని యూజ్ చేద్దాం. రామెల్ ఏంది డిజైన్ చేసుకోవాలి ఫస్ట్, రైట్? ఇప్పుడు నేను ఏం చేస్తా అంటే గెట్ ఎంప్లాయీ, ఓకే. నౌ బాడీ ఏం పెట్టాలి, మొత్తం రికార్డ్స్ మొత్తం ఎన్ని ఉంటే అన్ని కావాలి అన్నప్పుడు బాడీ అవసరం లేదు, రైట్? డైరెక్ట్ రెస్పాన్స్, వాట్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు డూ రెస్పాన్స్.
ఓకే,
నేను ఇప్పుడు నీకు అర్థం కానికే నేను ఏం పెట్టట్లేదు, డైరెక్ట్ గెట్ తీసుకుంటా, టైప్ ఆఫ్ మెథడ్, ఓకే. దెన్ వాట్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు వితౌట్ బాడీ రెస్పాన్సెస్ 200
201
201 is a create, get is a 200.
okay,
body application JSON, then whatever may be request, right? Same request I will use here for time being.
example
then otherwise what I have to do, sir, get EMP data. Get EMP data. Now example, what a hash include examples, get EMP data JSON. This is a response, okay. Then what we have to do, I will stop that server, I will stop this employee API, right? Now endpoint platform, download from Ramel Design Center, employee API, okay, yes. Now message flow, right? Create employee, data is coming, then data is coming, sometimes is not reflecting, right? Whenever not reflecting here in main file, right, what we have to do, you have to generate that XML, that's it. Write it in under API, right? This raml file already get employee is there, but that resource is not available here, right? What you have to do, you have to select this raml file and mule, okay, generate flow, generate. If you generate, right, automatically will come that flows. See, this flow is coming, right? Get employee. Then what we have to do, same way, you have to create one XML file, mule configuration file, get employee data, get employee data, okay, Ramesh. And then what we have to do here, one flow reference we have to create, right? Flow reference. Then what we have to map here, tell me.
Get employee, so employee
You drag and drop will come, get employee data flow, right? Here select, now you clearly will come get employee data flow, okay. That one is a main file, now is a this one, Now what we have to do, we have to delete this one, and first we have to put the database. We have to select, right? Now select, get means select the data. Already we have configured, right? Same thing, you have to select this database only. All details is there, local, everything. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to write select query. Here same thing we have write, we have to copy paste that select query. Control C, Control V. Then this one will come in Java. Then we have to convert that JSON, right? What we have to do? We have to using the transformer data view. Okay, remove this one. This is not required, right? Okay. Now this one we have to convert JSON. Application JSON. Data view I will explain tomorrow clearly.
Okay.
Payload. Now I have converted JSON, the payload. Okay. Now what we have to do, we have to run that project. Employee, create employee API. Now which resources we have created? Get EMP, get employee. You have to form that URL. HTTP localhost 8081, then path name / get employee. Tomorrow you will try one thing. I will explain you. Today one exercise I will give you that one. At least you will try.
Okay.
I hope API is deployed. See, coming right. We have inserted Ramesh and Mohan. Data is available here also, 2 records. Data also is getting here, right? 2, Ramesh and Mohan. Okay.
Okay.
Clear?
Clear.
Then once again I will recap that one today's session. First, what we explained, this Mule API database, whenever interact, these details is required. Host name, driver, DB name, username, password, port number. How you are configured here? I explained you, right? This driver using that modify Marvin dependency. We are added, click that finish. Then automatically the dependency is added. Once dependency is added, connection is established, everything. That dependency, first class I explained you, right? Form.xml dependencies, where that Marvin SQL dependency. Okay, once I have added, right, that dependency DB connector, everything is coming here. See, MySQL, DB connector. This is using that dependency libraries, connecting that our API to database. These two, DB connector and SQL connector. Okay, then today we have done two. One is create and another one is get employee data. Two we have done. What tomorrow you have to do, I will explain you. Using that get, okay, that is a resource name. What you have to do, get employee data. Get employee, right? Now what you have to do, get EMP data. Using that get method. Get method query param. Get method query param. Query param values is like pass that emp id. Okay, and then if you pass that emp id, right, here select query is like where emp id. To pass that 45, we'll get one record, right? Ramesh.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you have to implement this one. Okay, pass one employee ID, get the data. In whenever writing that MuleSoft, what you have to do? You have to put syntax also. I will tell you that. Okay, instead of 45, right? You have to write emp number. Okay, this emp number you have to pass here. First, you have to copy that query. Emp, you have to click this one and open braces and close braces and define that emp number. The payload of that is not payload, query parameter, right? You know, right? Attributes dot query param dot emp id. You have to assign the value. That's it. Clear, right?
Yes, sir.
I will stop recording.